Worried about keeping your Telnyx account safe from unauthorized access? Let's dive into how the Telnyx mobile app helps you generate one-time passwords, or OTPs, for rock-solid security. First, make sure you've downloaded the Telnyx mobile app from your app store and logged in. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner. This will take you to your account settings. In your account settings, look for the security or two-factor authentication option. Tap on it here. You'll find the option to enable two-factor authentication via the Telnyx mobile app. Select the option to set up or enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator at the app might display a QR code or a setup key. If you see a QR code, use the Telnyx mobile app to scan it. Now, the Telnyx app will begin generating a new 6-digit OTP every 30 seconds whenever you log into your Telnyx account. Simply open the Telnyx app and enter the current OTP shown on the screen. And that's it. Using the Telnyx mobile app for OTPs adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring that only you can access your important information and services stay secure.